we'll do a short meditation. Yes? Come, let's sit comfortably, easily. आराम से बैठ जाओ. शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दें. Let's relax our body. Let's close your eyes and open our eyes. Now you are not looking at anybody, your attention is only on the process of closing your eyes and opening your eyes. Let's do this consciously. अभी क्या करें, कुछ नहीं देखिए आप सामने, सिर्फ पलकों को खोलना बंद करना, खोलना बंद करना, पूरे होश के साथ करते हैं. Let's close our eyes and open our eyes. Open and look up. Look, don't tilt your head, but just only roll your eyes to your eyebrows and then bring your eyelids all the way down. Close your eyes and roll your eyes downwards. When you want to see your lips, what you would do? You'll roll your eyes down. Now again slowly roll your eyes up and open your eyelids and look up and roll down your eyes and your eyelids down. You may feel some strain in your eyes. That is very good. That indicates some stress that you have been hiding, holding on is getting released. Once again, open your eyes slowly and roll your eyes as up as you can. Are you feeling some pain? Some tension? Look at the tension. All your sleep deprivation and tension, you can feel it. And then slowly bring your eyelids down and the eyeballs to focus on your lips. Lips or your chin. Now keep your eyelids closed and inside roll your eyes up. Eyelids are closed and the eyes are rolling up and rolling down. And roll your eyes up, down and inward. Now let's synchronize this with the breath. Eyes are closed. Breathe in and lift your eyeballs all the way to your eyebrows. And then as you breathe out, bring your eyes, relax your eyes. And take your attention to your lips. Now as you breathe in, roll your eyeballs up all the way to the eyebrows. Eyes are closed. And then as you breathe out, bring your attention to your lips. And crack open your eyes just a little bit. Only a tiny ray of light is passing through the eyes. You are just crack opening your eyes. पलकों को जरा सा खोलें, हल्का सा, सिर्फ एक किरण आंखों के अंदर जाती हो ऐसे. थोड़ा मुश्किल लगेगा, कोई बात नहीं, करना चाहिए कभी. अब देखिए कहीं टाइटनेस और तनाव महसूस हो रही है क्या? उसको होने दीजिए, कोई बात नहीं. You may feel some tightness or some tension somewhere. Just be with it. Once again, let's take a deep breath in. Close your eyes fully. And as you breathe out, just crack open your eyes. Relax your eyelids and eyeballs. Feel the breath in your throat. सांस ले रहे हैं, छोड़ रहे हैं. सांस की आवागमन निरंतर चली रही है. उसको उस गले में महसूस करें. इस वक्त सांस चल रही है. गले में उसको अनुभव करें. हवा बह रही है हमारे चारों ओर, उसको महसूस करें. शरीर बाती है तो मन ज्योति है. और बॉडी इज लाइक द wick of a candle. The mind is like the glow all around it. Let your mind expand all around your head to for about 3 feet distance all around it. सिर के चारों ओर 3 फीट दूर तक आपका मन को फैलने दीजिए. वैसे फैला हुआ ही है, उसको पहचाने. Now we will say Om 3 times and feel the vibration in every cell of our body. अब हम ओंकार का ध्वनि करेंगे और उसको शरीर के कण कण से स्वीकार करेंगे और सुनेंगे. एक गहरी सांस लीजिए. Slow down and cool down. Let go of all the tightness or anything that you are holding on to. शीतल हो जाए, शांत हो जाए. शरीर के कण कण को, मन को शीतलता पहुंचे. रिलैक्स कर लीजिए. एक गहरी सांस लीजिए और छोड़िए. ब्रीद इन एंड लेट गो. Repose in yourself. This moment is nothing to do and nothing to know either. इस क्षण में न जानने के लिए कुछ है, न करने का ही कुछ. विश्राम करें, मुस्कान के साथ विश्राम. और धीरे धीरे शरीर और परिसर के प्रति सजग हो जाए और धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Slowly and gradually become aware of body and surrounding, and you may gently open your eyes.